Hello my dear ones, and welcome back to my personal channel with my personal self, Meg Allan Cole. Are you guys ready for some makeovers and DIY room decor? Today I'm going to show you how I turn this into this. My sister-in-law and BFF Danielle had me come over and do a whole office makeover for her. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm sharing it with you on HGTV Handmade today. One of her big asks was a fancy, beautiful bar cart. But those can cost a lot of money, so instead I used my DIY skills and I repurposed an old piece of furniture into this fancy bar cart that is also a self-care station. Because we are grown-ass women and we have learned the hard way that in order to do anything in life, we have to put the oxygen masks on ourselves first before we can help anyone else. So watch me turn this old piece of furniture into something fabulous and functioning. And as you're watching the video, please fill up the comment section with other videos you'd like to see right here on my channel, and be sure to check out the makeover at the end of the video. Let's get started. Make sure your piece is clean and dry, and lay it on top of a drop cloth in a well-ventilated space. Tape off any lines or areas that you don't want painted, like the inside of a drawer. Remove the hardware like these old knobs. Usually you can just unscrew them with your hands like this. Add a thin layer of your paint to the piece. I'm going with crisp white, so I don't need a primer, but if you're going with another color, you might want to add in one thin layer of primer. Use a roller for tabletops and larger surface areas, then cut in with a smaller detail brush. I actually found that these angled sponges worked really well to get into the nooks and crannies of this 1970s guy. For the hardware, I found these yellow brass knobs at Anthropologie for only a few bucks each. Simply remove the washer and nut from your new hardware. Add to the previous knob hole, place the washer on the inside of the drawer, and then screw the nut back on to keep it in place. Place in your room and add a custom cut piece of glass to the top. Luckily, this guy already had one, saving me time and money. I added a gold mirrored tray to the top to give the piece some structure, and the lines really add a wow factor. A glass and gold decanter and tumbler set round out the bar part of this cart. And below, I added energy snacks into glass and gold jars. Danielle wants a full-on self-care station, so we made that happen with coffee, boxed water, tea bags, and a dish of vitamins. In the drawer, we have backup filters, paper straws, and additional brain food to keep this office stocked and functional. I styled the cart with some faux greenery, an agate slice coaster, and a marble trivet. The bar cart is just one aspect of Danielle's office. Check out the whole room makeover on HGTV Handmade today, linked in the description below. Do you have any pieces of furniture that you're dying to make over in your house? Be sure to let me know in the comments below what you want to make over and any other content you'd like to see right here on Mac, because I'm coming back and you're not going to get rid of me. Just try. If you dig what you're seeing, subscribe, and be sure to like the video, and do not miss the makeover over on HGTV Handmade, because this room looks fabulous. I will see you guys later. Bye.